Front room. Well, guys, furnace isn't working. That's kind of a long story. Front room, I got the gas fireplace going. I got a fan going. Dad has electric heaters in his room. But it's kind of cold outside tonight. And so far, the house has only gone down to 67, which isn't bad. So, the furnace fires up, runs this blower. It runs this blower, and then it clicks on, the gas comes on, it lights up, it runs for a few seconds, and then it shuts right down, and it throws a soft code. So, I'm thinking, well, it fires up, turns the gas on, lights the fire, burns for a second or two, and then turns off. It's not seeing the flame sensor. So, tomorrow I'll work on that. But tonight we got the fireplace going and the fan blowing. And Dad's room is warm. Living room's warm. It's all good. I'll figure it out.